Hey, it's Dan here with Natea, and today we're going to make some gorilla milk. A friend of mine, she just finished a long water fast, and I remember I did a 21-day water fast once, and all I wanted after that for about a week was gorilla milk, and it built me back up real quick. So this is for all the game changers, the plant-based athletes that want the absolute best. Now imagine if they served this gorilla milk in hospitals instead of the Ensure. This will give you strength, power, and energy and bring you back to life. The Ensure will clog you up and give you constipation and take away your life. Can you dig it? So let's make some gorilla milk. I've got Natea on the juicing end of it. So what we do is we're going to take some coconut almond milk that's been enhanced with the Life Essentials from Pyridine, and we're going to add it to a nice high vibe green juice. So watch how we do this. What we've got for the green juice, and you mix it like half and half, or maybe 2/3 to 1/3, 2/3 milk to 1/3 juice. But we're going for a gallon today. So she can have a jar, I can have a jar, and we can deliver a couple of jars to my friend who just finished a long water fast, and I saw her, and she's a little bit struggling after the fast, so I wanted to give her some juice and give her some of this gorilla milk, which is just going to put her right back up on top. So we've got the celery, so a bundle of celery, 2 cucumbers, one bundle of cilantro, 1 bundle of kale, and then 2 apples. Okay, so you go ahead and juice that, honey, and then I'm going to show y'all how to make, and the microphone is right there, so like if you rub against it, I don't know what to do with it, maybe.
No, it'll be okay. It was good there.
Okay, you want to make sure that you're not rubbing up against it though.
Okay.
Maybe I'll put it right here.
That's good, yeah.
That way it can, hopefully it'll pick us up, but you just want to be aware, because I've
Gotcha.
had a few videos where I was like, hey, it's going. You know, I don't know what I was doing, but yeah, you're definitely leaning over there. Anyways, try to be aware of that. So I'm going to make the milk. You make the juice.
Okay.
And I'm going to make the milk.
Okay.
I've got some soaked and sprouted almonds. One of the best foods on planet Earth for building strength and power in the human organism. Especially when they're like blended into yogurts or these milks like this. It makes the absorption and utilization way higher. So I'm going to take about, probably, I'm going to make some yogurt in a minute here too. So that's 1 cup. I'll do 2 cups of soaked almonds. And then I'm going to do equal parts of coconut meat. And you can get the coconut meat from, usually you can find the young Thai coconuts at any co-op, or most specifically at Asian markets. If you have those in your area, talk to your produce guy. Say, hey, can you get me some young Thai coconuts? There's a really good chance that no matter where you are in the world, your produce guy can probably order you a case of coconuts, and then it only takes just a couple of coconuts, to be able to make this magnificently delicious, either the yogurts or the milks. Because coconut is like the nurturer, the nourisher. Coconuts, interestingly enough, are almost the exact composition of breast milk. When you take the water and the meat and you blend it, you get almost the exact same macronutrient composition as mother's milk. And I'll tell you, these coconuts from the Mama Kauai are my life source. Can you dig it? And then what I'm going to add after that is I'm going to add probably like a half of a cup of these Life Essentials. Now there's 2 reasons to use the Life Essentials. 3. One is texture. These Life Essentials, they just make everything better. Smoother, creamier, better. You put this in a soup. I make this tomato macadamia nut soup. with a scoop of this Life Essentials, and it's just like, oh. And I did a million tests in the food classes. Which one's better? The one with the Life Essentials or the one without? Definitely with the Life Essentials. So the Life Essentials is really great for soups and yogurts. Now what it is it's a raw rice bran. It's part of the plant that makes the rice grow. So it's the amino acids in the rice plant that are extracted, and they are all 22 essential amino acids. And the beauty of it is that a 6-month-old baby not only would love the taste and the texture and the flavor, but would also easily be able to absorb it. So even your 95-year-old grandma would be able to absorb these all 22 essential amino acids in like a pre-digested form. Then when you add the coconut water and the probiotics and blend it up and start the culturization process, it actually enhances the absorbability and gives easily absorbable amino acids, carbohydrates, fats, and energy, real life energy. That's what you want. So I'm going to add the Life Biotic. So a little teaspoon of the Life Biotic.
Yeah, those are what I need, I think.
I thought it was a little more solid than that. What, probiotics?
Yeah.
Well, these are the probiotics for the culturing. So is that what you mean?
Yeah, just
or
probiotics.
Or you mean the Pure Life, which is enhanced with enzymes. So we use the Life Biotic to create the cultures. When you create the cultures, you make sunflower seed, cheese, cashew cheese, macadamia nut cheese, almond cheese, Brazil nut cheese, or yogurts. Pine nut yogurt is especially awesome. And what it does is it helps to break down the proteins, carbs, and fats as these beneficial microorganisms start to break that down. It's already been pre-digested. So when you go to eat like pine nut yogurt, and you take a pine nut yogurt and you make a pesto out of a pine nut yogurt, now you've got this living, pre-digested, sauce that you can, even if you cook your noodles or whatever. All my sauces are raw. Even if I make cooked foods, I still use raw sauces to go over the top of the cooked food. So at least the fats, most of the time, when I make dishes for other people, the fats and the dressings are raw for even the cooked vegetables or the cooked starches or whatever, And I've always had that. Even when I go to carnivore, retreats and make the food. Believe it or not, I've never told that story. Anyways, I should tell that story one of these days. So I'm in the middle, but here's the this is the Pure Life. So this is the.
So I should do both, probably.
Well, what I do is I use those for the culture, and what you do is you take those Life Biotic, you put them in here, and the minute the moisture touches those microorganisms, it brings them back to life, and so they start multiplying. So the billions, parts per billions, becomes parts per trillion, very, very rapid in the yogurts, the cheeses, and the milks.
Wow, that's crazy.
And then these are just therapeutic probiotics, very useful for like autism or gastrointestinal distress. And so this has 5 strains of probiotics and got about 10 or 15 different enzymes.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. And then it's got a whole bunch of antioxidants added to it. It happens all the time. Whenever I'm making videos, I forget. And so what we're going to do with that is go straight into there.
All right. I'm going to let you do it. You're the master.
Well, just grab a towel to try to get the damage.
Too tall.
And then, so that's that. So let's keep going. I was going to make
right.
this video as short as possible. In fact, we're late to the market. We can't be late to the market.
All
so
right.
there's 2 cups of almonds, 2 cups of coconut meat, half a cup of Life Essentials. I always go heavy on the Life Essentials, so it's more like 1 cup. probably half a cup for the average person. But you know, it's like they're so good.
Yeah.
And my friend really needs the amino acids right now after a long water fast. Please continue.
Okay.
And now I'm just going to add. I'm going to go. We're going big today. So I'm just going to. Looks like I'm going to just do the whole thing.
Oh hell yeah.
Well, that's good enough there. So that's about a quart and a half.
Jacked.
A quart and a half of coconut water, which you can get from young Thai coconuts, or some of you live in tropical regions, not too many, I realize, but and I know this can be kind of a rarity, but if it's a special treat, you know, you can really learn to make some amazing milks and amazing dressings. But like if you were having health issues or whatever and you needed to rebuild yourself, the gorilla milk is one of the best ways to do that, because it's got the vitamins, the minerals, the antioxidants, the carbohydrates, and the proteins, and the fats, and the probiotics to really just strengthen the whole system in a very easily digested, delicious milk. It's a gorilla milk. It's amazing. Now, she's a fatty.
I could have told you that was going to happen.
Yeah, I knew it. But I always try to go right to the edge.
Abundance.
Yeah, and so I'm going to strain this. You know, I've said this before, I've said it again, you know, the same old recipes over and over again. But if it's for a little kid or something, you know, you could help a baby with this, you know what I'm saying? Like, would you rather have this or some formula? Believe me, this is a million times better than formula, for sure.
For sure.
Shoes, I forget about it. I raised goats. I'll tell you right now, I would 1,000% rather drink goat's milk than that formula crap. And it's a whole brainwash, mind wash, population control trip with the whole,
True.
with the formula crap. It's sad, man, what we're allowing to have happen. But so educate yourself on what's really going on in the world and take care of yourself and don't fall for the hype. And it's all hype. It's all bull crap. All of it. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Even your favorite YouTubers are lying to you. I don't know about me, but anyways, no, I mean, it's just, we're trying to make it through a crazy ass world, you know what I'm saying? It's like nuts, dude.
Yeah.
And you know that this corporate media and these corporations and these globalists, they do not have your best interest at heart, honey. You better believe that. So what I'm doing here now, what you do with this, like, are you gonna throw that away? Hell no. You could take some garlic, some sea salt, and a little bit of brewer's yeast and turn that into a cheese. Now that's the stuff. What I like to do is take this little things, you can add a little cinnamon and just put it in the dehydrator and make some little angel cookies is what I call them.
Oh.
It's like, just little raw fiber blasters. You know what I'm saying? And they're like little anti-constipation pills is what they are, but they're delicious little cookies. You can take the little cookies made from the pulp here of the almond and the coconut and the life essentials, and then you can make the little cookies and then dip the and you could add a little sweetener too in many different ways. Yeah, it's angel fluff. I mean, it's the yogurt, but you can make cheese. You can make little cheese rolls with like little sliced onions. You know what I'm saying? And like a little garlic, and it's unending, and it's awesome, and it's creativity.
Wow.
So it's really good. I love making them cookies. You know what I'm saying?
Dude.
So we'll definitely do that in a little bit. It's a little funky. God, and cockroaches. Cockroaches! Ah! Yeah, we got cockroaches. The Sad Guru one time was on one of his videos. He said, "Why don't you let the cockroaches?" I was like, "Thanks, Sad Guru." I had these cockroach traps that would be full like every night. And I come out here in the middle of the night to get a drink of water or something. It's like, well, some of them now, they just don't, well, he's not going to do anything. So now they just stick around, you know.
Yeah.
They don't even move anymore. They used to run and hide. But now they know, this idiot, he heard Sad Guru's video. Now he's not going to hurt us, trap us, throw us outside, or stick us in those traps. So now I'm running a goddamn cockroach motel every time I come out here. That's a serious
That's its
cheese
own
right there.
thing,
baby.
yeah.
Okay, so let's move forward here.
All
We're
right.
about to get done. I was a little bit short. Sure, this guy talks a mile a minute. Just shut up, Life Rejuvenator. No, you know what? The people that care are the ones that are like, I could listen to you all day, Life Rejuvenator. I'm like, well, you mean you get yourself a life, but it's cool, man. I appreciate it. I mean, it's a job, and I like doing it because I'm like, I'm in my flow. So it's like, hey, join this guy. He's in his flow, you know, and he's chilling. Little butter biscuits. That's some good stuff. We'll make that cheese. Maybe we'll save that for, and we'll do something with that Sunday dance church style. I'm going to add the rest of this. So we've got, I think we might, I don't know if we're there yet though. We're probably not there. This is 2.5. Ooh, we're so close.
To 4 liters.
So what, yeah, so that's Gorilla Milk. Let's just leave it because we got it dialed in. I could add a little more coconut water. I have a whole nother quart. You could add more cucumber, but it's better to kind of go heavier on the milk. Anyways, a 20-minute Gorilla Milk video. Anyway, we wanted to do that. So obviously the links are down below for the Paradigm stuff. And thanks for watching this video. What we're going to do is fill these up.
We're about to get jacked.
And this will last, you know, I mean, the Gorilla Milk, I would say it doesn't quite last as long as juice. But if you fill it up to the top and get all the oxygen out of there and then put the lid down, you're good for a couple of days. It'll settle a bit, shake it up. It's good to drink fresh right now, you know, right when it's just been juiced. And that's true with juice and foods of all kinds, to get the most amount of the hydrogen and electricity and minerals and vitamins. They're all at their peak right when they've been separated from the fiber. But it's a busy doggone world because we're out there slaving away trying to make ends meet. So if you just take that time, I mean, we had about 30 minutes of prep time, I guess, for the coconuts. It takes a little time. But if you're trying to rebuild your health or you're an athlete, you want to make a gallon of this stuff and have, a quart or two after pre or post workout. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
This will do it. This is the real deal. Like, this is like real. This isn't like Gatorade or Haterade. This is like the real, this is a really, really good thing to know and to learn how to do. Now me, I can do it with my eyes closed. I've done it a million times. I have access to coconuts. I get it. But it's a special treat. Let's say you're rebuilding your child or something, like that, or after after the antibiotics or after the flu, or, they just this is like the chronic for sure. So thanks for watching this video. I think we're done here, and we'll call it good, and peace, and thanks for all the love and support. DTM and Natea.